Here we have the LG microwave. To operate with it, you should press the button on the bottom to open the door, then load your food and close the door. For a quick warm-up of the food, press the start button and it will give you 30 seconds. If you press again, you can keep on adding 30 seconds. Then to stop, press the stop button. If you want to add 10 minutes, 1 minute or 10 seconds, you can press here. And to auto defrost, you can press this button and choose your preferred mode. If you want to clear, press this button.